Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to complete the Pillar of Community task by using the Store Discovery queue in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. You'll see the Store option in the navigation menu. Hover your mouse over Store and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Discovery Queue. This feature is designed to help you explore new games tailored to your preferences while also allowing you to complete community tasks. After clicking Discovery Queue, you'll be taken to a new page. In the middle of this page, you'll notice a button that says click here to begin exploring your queue. Go ahead and click this button to start the process. This initiates your Discovery Queue, which is essentially a curated list of games that Steam thinks you might be interested in based on your gaming history and preferences. Once you click to begin, Steam will show you the first recommended game in your queue. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Next in Queue. Click on it to move to the next game recommendation. Steam will then display another game for you to review. Again, on the right side, click Next in Queue to continue through the list. This process helps Steam understand your preferences better while simultaneously counting toward your Pillar of Community progress. Keep clicking Next in Queue for each game that appears. You'll need to go through several game recommendations, so just keep clicking that button on the right side until you've cycled through the entire Discovery Queue. This might take a minute or two depending on how many games are in your queue, but it's a straightforward process that doesn't require much interaction beyond clicking through each recommendation. Once you've gone through all the games in your queue, you'll see a Finish Queue button appear on the right side of the screen. Click on it to complete the Discovery Queue process. After finishing, the Pillar of Community task should automatically be marked as completed in your Steam profile. Now, if you want to verify that you've actually completed this task, here's how to check. In the upper right corner of Steam, click on your username. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select View My Profile. This takes you to your personal Steam profile page where all your gaming activity and achievements are displayed. On your profile page, look to the right side and click on Badges. This section shows all your Steam badges and tasks. Within the Badges section, click on Tasks Completed on the right side. This will display a list of all the community tasks you've worked on. Look for the task labeled Use the Store Discovery Queue. If the icon next to this task appears in color blue, that means you've successfully completed it. The blue color indicates completion, while a gray or faded icon would mean it's still pending. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the Pillar of Community task using the Store Discovery Queue in Steam. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.